Welcome to the Pancake Chronicles. My name is Chef Zay, and in this series, we'll be going over all things pancakes. From original pancakes, creative twists, and everything in between. Let's get it. So today we're gonna make a Dutch baby. It is a German pancake. Now, I love making pancakes, but sometimes I don't feel like doing all that mixing and mushing around of all the ingredients. This is one of the easiest ones that you can make because why? Everything's going into this blender. You hear me? Everything. So we're gonna start with some cinnamon plus milk. Some granulated sugar. We got some of our eggs, yolk and white. Some vanilla extract. All-purpose flour. And a little pinch of salt. We're gonna blend this until it's thoroughly mixed. Now we're gonna let this rest for 10 minutes. Hey, I forgot to tell you guys, I had a large cast iron skillet that's been in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Now, back to the regularly scheduled program. Now that we have our hot pan and our beautiful brown butter, we're gonna pour in our batter. We got a burner on, we're gonna cut some meat on medium heat, and we're gonna add our apples that have been sitting in lemon juice and water. Got some cinnamon sugar.
You missed an apple one.
Some vanilla. All right, this has been in the oven for 25 minutes. We're actually gonna get ready to plate this up for you all. Let's do it. Let's finish this with a knob of butter. Cut this heat off.
Damn, your knob of butter is definitely a chef's knob of butter. There we go.
You like it? We like it a lot. So if you're loving the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Much love. Peace.